Hey guys, this is Uber from SweetElights.com. Today I will be doing a tutorial on how to program the Centurion chip, which is sold on SweetElights.com and OrbitLightShow.com. I'm going to be showing you what it does on a 3-color strobe bulb and a solid bulb. Some modes work with the solid better and some modes work with the 3-color strobe better. So I'll be showing you guys what to do. To program your light, hold it down until the light turns on. This is a 3-color strobe bulb, pink, blue, green. Okay, 1 second. Gotta drink my Capri Sun. Okay, so I'm gonna be going over the modes and how to use the ones you want. So let me go over the modes first. So pink, blue, green. First mode would be pink, blue, green 3-color. Evo 2-color. Evo just green. Third mode. Mode 4 is a 2 to 3-color strobe, which is a 2-color strobe, which turns into a 3-color strobe. Simple. Mode 5 is a 2 to 1 strobe. 2-color strobe to a 1 strobe, except it does not have a gap. So it gives you that nice, like, kind of like a stutter strobe, kind of. It's pretty cool. And then we have mode 6, which is a 2-color strobe, except without a gap. And we have mode 7, which is a 1-color strobe without a gap. It's a really tiny gap. We have mode 8, which is kind of like the K-Evo 4th mode. It's just a 4-color hyperstrobe. It's a really cool mode. We have mode 9, which is a 3-color hyperstrobe. We have mode 10, a 2-color hyperstrobe. Mode 11, a 1-color hyperstrobe. 12, which is a slow flash. This one's like it's my second favorite mode on here. It's a really trippy mode because it just like goes on, off, and I haven't seen many lights that have this mode, so it's really unique and it's bright. Mode 13 is the same mode except faster and with 2 colors instead. Mode 14 is a 1-2-1 hyper flash. So it's a 1-color to then it goes from the first color to the second color to the first color in a hyperstrobe. So this would be green, pink, green. In mode 15, it's like a K-Evo hyperstrobe but with 1 color. Mode 16, we have a dash dot, which is the first color is like a regular strobe, and the second color is an Inova dot. We have mode 17, which is the exact same thing, except it's with 1 color, which is the first color you have in your thing. Mode 18 is a 1-color Inova dot. Mode 19 is my favorite mode on here. It basically has the modes of the Evo, but it just cycles through it by itself. So without touching anything, it goes from a 1 to a 2 to a 3-color strobe. So if you can tell, 1 color, 2 color, 3 color. This doesn't have any gaps though. And the next mode is the exact same thing, except it has gaps, like in a real Evo. You would have those gaps you would normally have. Mode 21 is the demo mode. It goes through modes 1 through 19, and they cycle within 2.5 seconds of each other. So it's just the demo mode. It just demos all the modes. So if you're not a clicker, you can use this mode if it's one of your favorite. And the last mode, which is 22, is Inova dot second mode. Second mode of an Inova. But if you have a 3-color strobe, it won't work on it. So make sure that you don't accidentally leave it on here, or else it will kill the battery. So to pick the modes you guys want, find the colors or the mode you want. So let's say I want a 1-color strobe. Hold it down until the light turns on, and do that with as many colors as you pick. You can make this as many modes as you want. So I want a 2 mode. After you're done programming, just double click. It's that simple. And then just you have your 2 modes: first mode, second mode, first, second, first, second. And that's what you want to do. That's it. It's very simple. Okay. I'll show you guys what it does with a solid bulb. I'll try to make this quick. Okay, so now that you guys know what it is, this is a solid. It's a lavender solid, so it's pretty bright, frosted. So solid, just a strobe gap, gap. They're just basically all types of gaps except for the hyperstrobe. Gap. It's a hyperstrobe. So basically it has all the same modes, except since it's a solid, you don't get to see all the cool stuff. So I'm just gonna be going over unique modes with solids. So unique mode would this would be called a vampire bite. I call this a vampire bite. It's a dot to strobe to dot, and it looks really cool. Kind of looks like a vampire bite. I don't know if you guys get what I mean, but it's a really cool mode. Another unique mode is this one, the just like the on-off, the slow flash. It's really cool. That one's really cool. So like I said, all you have to do is hold it down, double click, it turns off, and then now you have a 1-mode light if you want it. That's it. So this light can be purchased from SweetE Lights or Orbit Light Show. It fits in any Orbit Skin, Micro Skin, or Micro Max chip or housing. It's a really nice light. I recommend it for anyone that doesn't like clicking because it has a lot of cool modes. It has memory, so if you take out the batteries, it won't lose its modes like the IMAX has, and a lot of issues like that. This thing is absolutely amazing. It has a lot of unique modes you've never seen before. It's really affordable. It's only $6.95 for a chip. I mean, what can you go wrong with this? E-Lite goes for $7 a chip, not including the housing, which is more expensive. We have Micromax for $1 if you guys want to pick those up. It uses 1616 batteries because it's Micromax, but it's a really awesome light. I know you guys won't regret it because it has such cool modes and like you can't go over it. It works with the 3-color strobe. Set as many modes as you want. You want a 5 mode, you want a 20 mode, you want a 70 mode. Do it. I mean, this light will unleash unlight technology because of all the things it can do. So thanks for watching. Be sure to purchase this from SweetElights.com. Be sure to use code Uber for 5% off your entire order. 10%, 10, 5, not sure. Just use the code and get something special. Yeah, well, thanks for watching, guys. Make sure to check out our videos from SweetElights.com. Be sure to check our featured videos and everything we have. Thanks for watching.